Hello. How is technique? Its style, its taste. How is care? How can be with a pen or with a pencil? How can be in a piece of paper, in your computer or in your smartphone? How is also the attitude of the writer. Because we all know how to read and how to write, but many times we believe that allows us to read and write in any way, to give an interpretation that can be very unlikely close to the real meaning of the text, or to write something upside down and then try to call it creative or original when it's only chaotic. Writing has rules and they must be followed to guarantee that your reader, that any reader, will be able to understand your message. And we don't have to invent anything. 25 centuries ago, the Greeks already discovered everything that you must do to get the attention of your reader and to properly communicate your message. And since then, every famous author, from Shakespeare to the script writers in Hollywood, they only confirmed those findings, which are the structure of a narrative to tell a story, the structure of descriptive text to describe a context, the structure of a dissertation to expose an idea or a convincing argument. Of course, there is method to do all this, and we are going to talk about a little bit of this method to you. But most of all, you need criteria to decide if you have followed the protocol. It's basic to know grammatical rules. Every word has a precise meaning, and you cannot change the words or their meaning just because you don't know it. And how can you acquire criteria? You must practice. You have to write and you have to rewrite what you just wrote. To the awarded Portuguese writer António Lobo Antunes, the work of a writer is most of all to rewrite. It's obvious that no one can write with an open dictionary on the side. Your mind must be free from the chains of the rules so you can put on the paper all your ideas. But it's the careful reading of what you wrote that will help you cut the excess and to put the right words in the right place. Out of ignorance, fear, but sometimes arrogance, many writers leave to the reader the task of deciding what is good and what is not in a text. But that is your responsibility, the author's responsibility, to select the good information to the reader. Otherwise, you run the risk of bothering him and, even worse, to lose him. Go straight to the point. Keep concision, cohesion, coherence. That's what's going to captivate and keep your reader happy. A quick text, it's what the modern reader appreciates. See you next time.